How to get the Epic Game Store on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the Safari, or you can head over to any of the web browser. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for epic.download. It will land you on this official page. In this page, you'll get to see the option where it says Install on iOS. Click on it. And then tap on Continue Anyway. Right over here it says, to install the Epic Game Store on your iPhone, you have to update to iOS 17.6 or later. Right now, I don't have the update to iOS 17.6, so I'm not being able to install the Epic Game Store. But if you have the update to 17.6 or later, then what you want to do is, you have to move into your settings. Inside settings, the option of Allow Marketplace from Epic Games will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it, and then tap on Allow. Once again, click on Confirm. Once you click on Confirm, your Epic Game Store will start to install on your device, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download Epic Game Store on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.